If you're injured in a car accident, trucking accident, or even on the job, Clardy Law Firm says they've got your back.
And we're joined today by Genevieve Weaver to break down anything that they can do to help you during the most dangerous time of the year, which is right now, because people are traveling for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. Then
They're
you have
flying,
New Year's Eve. I mean, you can't do that, right? So now's the most dangerous time to be out there, and so you guys get lots of calls.
Yeah, and you know, I feel like every year I go, is this the most dangerous time of the year? It used to be, I feel like, parties and the weather is bad, and there are reasons why bad accidents happen. Like, why did cars cross the center line to cause really, really bad car accidents, right? Or high speed. I really think that, unfortunately, maybe starting as far back as COVID, we're just more distracted. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I don't know how many people need to, I don't know, step in and say, we can't be looking at our phones. We can't be looking at our high-tech cars. We've got to keep our eyes on the road, because distracted driving or drunk driving is when you're just not paying attention.
And we're hands-free right now, but people still aren't paying attention. Like you said, there are laws about it.
There's just too many things you can multitask and do while you're in the car.
Yeah.
And it's when you're not paying attention, when you're not alert, that you can't slam on the brakes when you need to. Because if you're paying attention with your eyes on the road, you should be able to have at least a little bit of, there's a car, I see it up there. But if you're distracted, you're talking, you're looking down, that's when they are really, really, really bad.
And so what does somebody do if, God forbid, they are involved in an accident?
Well, I think that was Jack's favorite question. Is, what is the first thing you do?
Yeah.
Like, the first thing you do is, obviously, I'm worried about the passengers in your car. Like, is everyone okay? Do we need to call the police? I think the answer is typically yes.
Yeah.
You should always call the police, mostly because in this day and age, the insurance companies want to know that you've called the proper authorities.
Right.
And even, Alan and I say, the nicest people make the worst clients, because they do nice things, right?
Yes.
Some teenager rear ends you and he's crying, I'm so sorry. I know you are, kiddo, it's okay. Please, will you just call my mom? I don't want you to call don't call the cops.
Yeah.
We have to.
Right.
Yeah.
You have to report an incident when it's occurred. When there's just property damage or when someone's injured, you have to call the police.
Yes.
Because you have to have a report.
Right.
Because you need to be able to provide that report to your insurance company to show them exactly what happened.
Could you imagine going in and saying, oh, I don't have a report. I think it was around this time. I think this person was involved.
It happens all the time. And then we have to resort to other ways to, like, kind of fill in the blanks. Does the Spinks next door, the QT next door have a camera that we can go find to see?
Yeah.
Because unfortunately, a lot of people, not a lot of people, but it happens that people's stories change. That they're really sorry on the scene,
But then in the court,
and then you call their insurance company and they go, they haven't even reported it. And you go, they haven't even reported it? Both cars were totaled and it wasn't even reported yet? And so, then on behalf of my client, I'm trying to run down as many details as you can. And we can. If there's not a police report, I have handled many cases where that doesn't happen. But protect yourself by making things just a little bit easier and calling the officer, have them come. That is the start of the frustration. That is the start of the frustration of the car accident.
Why Clardy Law Firm?
I have been with Alan now for over 12 years.
Yeah.
It is such a family. And I mean, our family is growing, and we get bigger every year, which sometimes the dynamic shifts, right? We used to be just this little happy pod. I had my little happy pod, and I could just shout to Alan right through the door. I'd be like, Alan, why won't... And now he's like downstairs and down a hallway, which is kind of sad.
Yeah.
But we have always operated in the same way, which is we're a family. We treat our clients like family.
Yeah.
It's a happy place for me to go every morning. I'd much rather be in my office right now and hang out with
I know, right?
She had to do hair and makeup here. I know. It's a girl problem. It's a girl problem.
I got it.
Yeah.
The ClardyLawFirm.com is a website. The numbers on your screen, whether you're dealing with those car accidents or any type of hurt on the job type situation, they are the family to take care of you. Thank you, Genevieve. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Tell Alan we said hey.
We will.
Yes. All right, y'all. Quick break. More YC next.